Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna be walking you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy and activate Revolut eSIM on iPhone. So if you want to buy and activate Revolut eSIM on your iPhone, here's a simple step-by-step guide you can easily follow. So step 1 is to open the Revolut app on your iPhone and log in to your account. Then on step 2, tap the lifestyle, which is tap the rave point depending on your region. Then on the step 3, you have to select eSIM or get data plan. So on step 4, you have to choose your data plan type. For example, you can pick locally, regional or global based on where you will use it. Then on step 5, you have to pick your data amount, for example 1 gig, 5 gig or more, and review the price and the validity period. Then on the step 6, you have to tap the buy button and confirm the payment using your Revolut balance or another linked payment method. So step 7, once purchased, tap the install eSIM when prompt inside the app. Then on the step 8, your iPhone display a pop-up to add the eSIM. Tap continue and then add the eSIM. Then step 9, after installation, go to your iPhone settings, click the mobile data or cellular and confirm that the Revolut eSIM line appears. Then step 10, tap the new Revolut eSIM line, enable, turn on this line and the data roaming. Then under the mobile data settings, choose Revolut eSIM as your default data line if you want to use it for internet access. Then on step 11, turn on airplane mode and turn it off again to refresh your network connection. Open a browser or app to test your internet or data connection. Then the eSIM should be active by then. And that's how you can easily buy and activate Revolut eSIM on iPhone. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.